Have you ever heard of Coca-Cola Chicken? It's a dish that might sound unusual at first, but it's incredibly popular in the Philippines. It sounds a bit strange, right? Combining a soft drink with a savory dish isn't something you hear about every day. This dish is a Filipino favorite. It's a staple in many households and is often served during family gatherings and special occasions. It's a unique blend of sweet and savory flavors. The Coca-Cola adds a caramel-like sweetness that perfectly balances the savory elements of the dish. Imagine tender chicken coated in a rich caramelized sauce. The sauce thickens as it cooks, enveloping the chicken in a glossy, flavorful glaze. That's Coca-Cola Chicken for you. It's a dish that surprises and delights with every bite. Let's learn how to make it. First, gather your ingredients: chicken, Coca-Cola, soy sauce, garlic, and a few other pantry staples. This dish is best enjoyed with steamed rice. The rice soaks up the delicious sauce, making each mouthful a burst of flavor. The sauce is perfect for drizzling over the rice. It adds an extra layer of taste that complements the chicken beautifully. It's a comforting meal that will make you feel right at home. Whether you're sharing it with family or enjoying it solo, Coca-Cola Chicken is sure to become a favorite. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need some chicken pieces, of course. Thighs are best for this recipe. We'll also need Coca-Cola, soy sauce, and vinegar. These will give our dish its unique flavor. Don't forget the aromatics. Garlic, ginger, and chilies are a must. They add depth and fragrance to the dish. Now that we have everything, let's get cooking. First, we sear the chicken. This step is crucial to lock in the flavors and juices, ensuring that the chicken remains moist and tender throughout the cooking process. Make sure your chicken thighs are at room temperature before you start, as this helps them cook more evenly. Get your pan nice and hot. Add some oil. We recommend using a high smoke point oil like canola or vegetable oil to prevent burning. Swirl the oil around to coat the bottom of the pan evenly. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place the chicken in the pan. Be cautious of the hot oil splatters. Lay the chicken thighs skin side down to get that crispy golden brown skin. We want a beautiful golden brown color on both sides. This should take about 4-5 minutes per side. Don't rush this step. Patience is key to achieving that perfect sear. Next, we add our aromatics. Garlic, ginger, and chilies go in. These ingredients will infuse the chicken with a rich, complex flavor. Stir them around for a minute or two until they become fragrant. The aroma will fill your kitchen. This is when you know you're on the right track. The sizzling sound and the fragrant steam are signs that the flavors are melding beautifully. Now pour in the Coca-Cola. This might seem unusual, but the sweetness of the soda will balance the savory elements and help to tenderize the meat. Add soy sauce and vinegar. These will add depth and a slight tanginess to the dish. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious blend of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors. Let it bubble and reduce. This reduction process will concentrate the flavors and thicken the sauce, making it perfect for coating the chicken. Finally, add the chicken back in and let it simmer until tender. This final simmer allows the chicken to absorb all the flavors of the sauce, resulting in a delicious, mouth-watering dish. Serve hot and enjoy! Our Coca-Cola chicken is ready. This dish is a delightful blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. The combination of Coca-Cola and traditional Filipino ingredients creates a unique and unforgettable taste experience. The chicken is incredibly tender. Each bite melts in your mouth thanks to the slow cooking process that allows the flavors to fully infuse into the meat. The sauce is a beautiful balance of sweet, savory, and tangy. The Coca-Cola adds a caramelized sweetness, while the soy sauce and spices bring in a savory depth. Serve it with a generous portion of steamed rice. The rice soaks up the delicious sauce, making every mouthful a perfect harmony of flavors. Drizzle that amazing sauce all over. The extra sauce ensures that every bite is packed with that incredible sweet and savory taste. This dish is a true testament to Filipino cuisine. It brings together the comfort of home-cooked meals and the excitement of trying something new. It's simple to make but bursting with flavor. With just a few ingredients and some patience, you can create a dish that will impress your family and friends. Try it out for yourself and experience the magic of Coca-Cola Chicken. You'll be amazed at how such a simple recipe can deliver such complex and satisfying flavors.